Hey, I'm Tony Gonzalez for PETA.
Hi, I'm October Gonzalez for PETA.
Beautiful.
I think what made us want to pose for PETA, just to bring awareness to people. Just to, cruelty to animals is something that shouldn't be accepted, and people, especially kids, they look up to us, and this is an opportunity to educate not only the youth, but people out there that are fans of mine, and to bring us some awareness to it. I've changed my diet a couple years ago to a plant-based diet, and when you do that and you're reading why that's beneficial, you also come into the animals, the treatment of animals. And to see that, it's appalling what goes on with the industry treatment of animals. It's just ridiculous. They pump them full of hormones. They feed them corn, which is not their natural diet. It
creates disease and E. coli in their systems, and these animals are miserable from the second they're born to the second they die, and it's really really
They
sad.
can't even walk because they get big so fast that their ligaments and their bones can't support how big they are.
Right.
So their legs literally snap, and they can't even walk, and that's tough to watch. That's something that, like I said before, it shouldn't be accepted. It's ridiculous, but we have a voice,
Right.
and that's why we're doing something like this. And it's not just us; it's everybody, because government will, if enough people stand up and say something about it, it will end. This is something I'm passionate about.
Yeah.
Switching over to a plant-based diet and getting away from the meat, getting away from the dairy. It's unbelievable, the benefits that I've seen from it. I'm going into my 13th year in the NFL, and I switched over 2 years ago. I have more endurance during the game. I feel like I'm more focused. Like, guys laugh at me when I come into the weight room the day after a game. Everybody's sore over there, and I'm over there like, jumping rope, and they're looking at me like, man, you're supposed to be the old guy on the team. You act like, you're acting like you're like the youngest guy on the team. So it's definitely, I've seen huge benefits from it. To find out more information on how to help animals, visit PETA.org.